Hello! Today we're going to teach you how to subscribe to a VPN service by paying Zcash to the Zingo desktop wallet. The VPN chosen for this tutorial is TorGuard. This tutorial is very similar to the process of purchasing any other products and service with Zcash. The paywithz.cash website you can access and search for more places that accept Zcash as payment. I'm going to get the standard plan. Click on Buy Standard. In the cart, check the details and choose the length of your plan. I will subscribe to the annual plan. You should register on the website before starting the tutorial. Once you have logged into the website, you will access the services you want to subscribe to, such as VPN, proxy, clouds or private mail. I will subscribe to Anonymous VPN. Going down, there are some more options that you can add to your package. Check your personal information. To pay in Zcash, you need to select this last option, where there is an image with several cryptocurrencies. Now, accept the terms of service and liability and click Checkout. It will generate your invoice, and click on the green button to pay it. Now, on the Now Payments website, choose Zcash as your payment method and click on Proceed Payments. Copy the address, open Zingo, and send. Paste the address in the To part. Go back to the website, copy and paste the amount into the text box below in your wallet. On this desktop version of Zingo, the memo text box does not appear below on transactions to a transparent address. Click Send and check the transaction data. Send again. Wait a few seconds and OK. Your transaction is now complete. Here's the dashboard, where you can see your balance divided by pool and the total amount. Below is to send, as we had shown previously. Receive is where you can copy your receiving addresses and pass your funds between them. In Transactions, you can see your transaction history. On Address Book, you can save your contacts. Enter the name, address, and click Add. When the transaction is confirmed, it will forward to this website. That's it. Transaction confirmed. Now you're ready to use the service. Thanks for watching. For more information, follow Zcash Hub channel on YouTube. To contribute, access the Zcash Global Discord on Zcash Hub DAO channel.